Hello friends, so in today's video we are going to discuss sample paper of question uh, term 2 chemistry. So there are some general instruction that follows. So there are 12 questions to be allotted. They may be your internal choice. So in question 1 to 3, they are very short answer type question carrying 2 mark each. So question number 1 to question number 3, they are of 2 mark each. Question number 4 to 11, they are 3 mark each. Question number 12 is 5 mark each. So all questions are compulsory. So you have to do the all question, and the use of table and calculators are not allowed. You cannot use any log table or calculators. So moving on to section A, question number 1A. Arrange the following in increasing order to their property indicated. So we have to arrange them. So we have to arrange any two of the following because it is of 2 mark of 1 into 2. So we have to arrange only two. So I do first and second one, that is benzoic acid, phenol, pyric acid, salicylic acid in pKa value. Ooh, and second one is acetaldehyde, acetone, methyl tetrabutyl ketone. So pyric acid is less than salicylic acid, is less than benzoic acid, is less than phenol. So methyl tert is equal to butyl ketone, is less than acetone, is less than acetaldehyde. So this is the question number 1 that is solved. Moving on to question number 2. In question number 2, it said that solution of two electrolyte A and B are diluted. The AM of the B increases 1.5 times while that of A increases 25 times. Which of the two is strong electrolyte? Justify your answer. Graphically show the behavior of A and B. So here we have to say that we have to say the answer with the diagram, but this consists of only 2 marks, so we have to write less. So in this, B is a strong electrolyte. As you can see, they two are diluted and B increases 1.5 times. So B, if B increases 1.5 times than A, then B must be strong electrolyte because it increases. The molar conductivity increases slowly, but the dilution there is no increase in the number of ions. The molar conductivity also increases very slowly, but dilution never increases. Uh, as the strong electrolyte, they are completely dissociated. As they are strong electrolyte, they are completely dissociated. So this is the graph that shows. As you can see here, the weak electrolyte move from upward to lower, but here the point zero value is the highest peak between the differentiation, as you can see. And in here the value of a strong electrolyte, the higher value is sigma naught. So it is at zero concentration, it is the highest value, as you can see here. You will say that this must be the this will be the highest value, this one, but no, this will be not, because there must be a proper space and validated for this reason. If this must be strong, then this will not be strong. So moving on to question 3. So question 3 consists of 2 marks. So 1 mark for each section, section A and section B. So presence of alpha hydrogen in aldehyde and ketone is essential for aldol condensation. So here the answer for option A is the alpha hydrogen atom are acidic in nature due to presence of electron withdrawing carbonyl group. These can be easily removed by base, and the carbonation formed in resonance stabilized Tolen reagent. So here the second is 3 hydroxy pentane 2-ON shows the positive Tolen test. So the Poland Tolen test is done on some compound, and in the compound 3 hydroxy pentane 2-ene show the positive Tolen test. So what does this mean? So this means that Tollens reagent is a weak oxidizing agent that is not capable of breaking the C-C bond in ketone. Thus, ketone cannot be oxidized using Tollens reagent itself and get reduced to Ag. So that's how we completed our section A, which is of 2 marks. Moving on to section B, which consists of 3 marks. So section B, question number 4, it says it consists of 3 mark, 1 mark for each section. Section number A says that aniline cannot be prepared by the anemolysis of the carbobenzene under the normal condition. So here, in case of chlorobenzene, the CCl bond is quite difficult to break as it acquires a partial double bond character due to conjunction. So under the normal condition, anemolysis and the carbon benzene does not yield aniline. That is next it is primary and secondary amine are engaged in intermolecular association due to hydrogen bonding present between them. So here, when the hydrogen bonding is between nitrogen and hydrogen, thus it forms the another molecule. Due to the presence of three hydrogen atom, the intermolecular association is more. And where it is more in primary amine than in secondary amine, as there are two hydrogen atom available. So the secondary amine is more complex than the primary amine because there are two hydrogen atom that is present in there. Section C says that during the acylation of aniline, stronger base pyramid is added. This is done in order to remove the HCl so formed during the reaction to shift the equilibrium to the right hand side. Moving on to question number 5. So question number 5, there are only two parts, so which means 1.5 mark each for a part. So in this question, it says that NiH2O as 2 plus is green color, whereas NiH2O4 En2 plus aqueous it is blue in color. So NiH2O6 2 plus is green in aqueous, but NiH2O4 En2 plus aqueous is blue in color. Give reason to support your answer. So you have to give the reason. So that is the color of coordination. The compound depend upon the type of ligand and did the transition take place. Here the color coordination compound depend upon the type of ligand and did the transition taking place. H2O is weak field ligand which cause a small splitting leading to the DD transition corresponding green color. However, due to the presence of which strong field ligand, the splitting is increases due to the change in T2G easy splitting the colorness turn from green to blue. So write the formula of hybridization of the following compound trisethane 1 2-diamine cobalt sulfate. So the formula of the compound COH2 NCH2 CH2NH2 3SO4 is the hybridized and the compound that is formed is D2sp3. Moving on to question number 6. So question number 6 says that it has three options, 1 mark each. So that is Ti fourth is more stable than Ti second or third. Why? So Ti is having the electronic configuration 3d2 4s2. It is more stable in Ti fourth form because it acquires the fourth plus electron than the losing of 4 electron. Moving on to 6b. So it says that in case of transition element, ion of the same charge in a given series show a progressive decrease in radius with increasing atomic number as the new electron enter the d orbital. The charge of the outermost electron increases and ionic radius decreases. C option. Zinc is comparatively soft metal as compared to iron, chromium, and uh, they are typically hard. Why is zinc compared to soft? Because iron it is very hard as compared to zinc, and chromium it is also very hard. Iron and chromium are having high enthalpy of atomization due to the presence of unpaired electron, which account for their hardness. However, zinc has low enthalpy of atomization as it has no unpaired electron, hence zinc is completely a soft metal. Moving on to question number 7. So question number 7 says that an alkaline A is the molar formula is C5H10 and ozonolysis give a mixture of two compound B and C. Compound B give positive Fleming test and compound C does not give the Fleming test but form iodoform. Identify the compound A, B, C. So the compound A is an alkene. Ozonolysis it will give carbonyl compound as both B and C have C is greater than C equal to O. But B give the positive. This is according to the filming test. So it is aldehyde and it give iodoform test. So it is CH3C double bond O group. That means the acetyl aldehyde is acetaldehyde. C does not give Fleming test, it is ketone. It gave positive iodoform test, so it is methyl ketone means CH3C double bond O group. And this is the reaction. Compound A equal to C5H10 and ozonolysis give B CH3CHO plus C CH3COR. So C is an CH3CO CH3CH3CH bond. So when we react these following compound, we form CH3CHO plus C2CO2 plus 5OH that form plus CO2 red peptide plus 3H2O. So this is the reaction that is formed, and the second reaction is here, as you can see here. This is a typing mistake. You can see it form 5OH that make a CH3COO that makes CuO2 plus red PPT that form 3HL2. So the next reaction it is CH3CO CH3 plus 2Cu2 plus 5OH new reaction, that is CH3CHO plus 312 uh, plus 3 and OH plus CHI3 that is yellow PPT that is C3HI that is HCOO and A. So when we combine this, we form that A equal to CH3CH. Here, as you can see, the compound formation CH3CH, and the B that is formed here is CH3CHO, and the C that is formed here it is CH3COCH3 here, as you can see. So this this is this for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. So we will meet you in the next part of this video. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching, keep learning.